Trophy Room gave me another reason to finally use these blue laces. What's up, family? Welcome to another episode of Sneaker Notes. I'm your boy C Notes. Thanks for checking me out. And I was supposed to get this review to y'all a while ago. I was waiting on these bad boys to finally get here. Let's put this down. This right here is the Trophy Room shorts. And I'm going to let y'all on a little trick I do psychologically. Whenever a big sneaker coming out that I know I want, I buy the gear first. This entitles me to hit every raffle, to be up 10 a.m. for sneakers, to make sure I secure that pair. So I brought these shorts, believe it or not, 3 days before the sneakers even dropped, and I still had to wait for these, and the sneakers came before that. Either way, both are secured. Hit the B-roll. Yes, sir. So, y'all know I had the Jordan 1 Trophy Rooms. I wound up getting rid of them. Aww. I just felt like I had too many Jordan 1s in that Chicago colorway. Y'all can hold that. That's probably going to be the next video. I'm finally show y'all the lost and founds. But I just wasn't feeling them. I think I got caught in the hype with them coming out and being backdoored. And I just had to have them Trophy Room 1s. But these, I kind of were more intrigued by. I know 7s are not the popular sneaker. We get it. But I like the gold, the colorfulness. The story of the Trophy Room Jordan 1s probably were better. But I like the 7s, man. And I get to finally wear my blue laces. So when I sold my Trophy Room 1s back to GOAT, instead of getting that extra $200 for the blue laces, I decided to just get them and just hold the shoelaces. At least I still have some resemblance of that Jordan 1, man. But we're going to talk about these Jordan 7s today, the Trophy Room. You seen the box, you seen the date. Jordan's son is good with dealing with his father history. And that's what makes these Trophy Room joints so dope. Whether it's a 5, a 1, a 7, I hear 2 is coming out. That's what's dope. So, enough talking, man. Let's unbox these things. Unboxing time. Yes, sir. So you get your famous Trophy Room logo on one side, your Michael Jordan signature in gold on the other side. The bottom is still OG with your elephant print or your paint sparkles. That's classic Jordan. And then on the top, you get a nice Jordan Jumpman logo in red. The back has all the bells and whistles, the Nike Air, the swoosh, the Air logo, a lot of stuff. You got like a pull tab look with some gold here, but you can't pull it out. The box opens upright. Another Trophy Room logo there. Nike Air logo there. Same on the other side. When you flip open the lid, and it's a large box, guys. It's not your regular size box. Right there in the inside, it reads, New Sheriff in Town. That's the name of these Jordan 7s. It sparks back to when Jordan told Larry Bird and Magic Johnson that is a new sheriff in town. And that was in June 22nd, 1992 at the Olympics. So this right here is the right shoe, guys. And when you think of Jordan 7s, all you could think of is the Olympics. So Marcus putting this together with the new sheriff in town, Dope storytelling. I'm starting to think I like this story better than the Jordan 1s. But if you look at the sneaker, just look at it. That white is flaking all over the sneaker. That's one thing I don't like. The Jordan 1s were so dope. You see the flakes? The Jordan 1 was so dope because the A1 quality. With this material here, it's a lot of flakiness. But the colors I love. I love the red, white, and blue USA colors mixed with the gold, mixed with the Olympic style lifesaver colors here. But let's start with the toe box. So your toe box is red, just like the Cardinals, just like the Carmines, and that soft nubuck Jordan 7 feel. You can see the flakes of the white though all on it, as I was telling y'all. But that's your toe box. Now here comes a different material here. It is nubuck, but I just don't know why it's so flaky, guys. Like the white is just coming off and coming all into every other thing. Even the shoes, laces, even the tongue. But you got that with some dope gold eyelids. Give you that Olympic gold medal feel. The red creeps back in. You know the Jordan 7 silhouette. My highlight of the sneaker is this Michael Jordan signature. I love how with every trophy room you're getting this Michael Jordan signature. I really, really like that. It makes you feel a little more in tune with the sneaker. Like I got a Jordan autograph. You know what I mean? Up top here on your red, you got a dope gold Jordan logo. That's super dope, man. I like that. I like all parts of the red. It's just the flakiness of the white I really don't like. Like I even wish the logo was in red too, or even gold. But we could go there another time, another day. The back, your pull tab, again, like I said, is in that Olympic color. Have you ever seen the lifesavers of the Olympic logo? It looks just like this. All those colors are present. The gold number 9 in the back, that is Jordan's USA Olympic number. So that's why you got the 9 there. Dope. As you see, it look mirror-like. I like that. Again, more of that flaky material around it. I like the color of the material. I love like it's more of a beige off-white than just white. I just wish they would have just left it leather. This way we wouldn't have a problem with it just going all over the sneaker. But I do like the color, guys. Your tongue, same classic Jordan 7 tongue. Nothing changed there. Same Air Jordan logo on the tongue. The inside reads, New Sheriff in Town. Just like the box. I like that in that nice wool Jordan 7 material. Jordan 7s are comfortable. I don't understand why people don't like them no more, man. Also on the inside is the date that's on the box, June 22nd, 1992. And then the inside, extra dope. Let me try to get the light on this. With a Jumpman Jordan in there, and it reads, the greatest game ever played. I think it says Monte Carlo. I know that's where the Olympics was. Yeah, that's exactly what it says. So at first when we seen pictures of this sneaker, we thought it was going to be called the greatest game ever played. They switched it to the New Sheriff in Town. Both make sense. Both are from the same game, same Olympics. So I like that. This is the left shoe here. On the back, instead of the number 9, we have the trophy room logo in that gold. I like that, guys. Everything else seems to add up. Nothing's changed. Let me look before I talk. It still says New Sheriff in Town here, but you don't have the date, the 1992, on the left shoe. So that's something to look at, guys, if you're buying from a third party. On the left shoe, it doesn't say the date on the left shoe on the inside like it says on the right. But the autograph is there. The Jordan 7 is the silhouette is still the same. The bottom here, more red, white, and blue. If you've seen one Jordan 7, you've seen them all. Even the 8s are kind of similar to the 7s bottom-wise. Yes, sir. So, the Jordan 1 trophy rooms is probably my favorite. The 5s after that. Then come the 7s. But as far as the story, more than I think of it, I like this story. I did like the freeze out story, how they froze Jordan out, but it's a lot of he say, she say with that story. This one here, no one really disputes. Magic, Larry Bird, they both said Jordan came in there and said, yo, I'm the new sheriff in town. There's even video of that, of the Dream Team. So I like this story better. As far as the sneaker, colorway perfect, story perfect, material, man. It's like you got to carry a brush with this thing. The white is just trickling everywhere. No glue stains, nothing else but this material. But when you know you're dealing with a sneaker with material like this, you just got to know. I remember I had the OVO 8s a couple years ago, and it sat in a box for about 9 months without touching it, and it just got flaky. So it happens, man. Retail on this was $225. Right now, StockX has it for the low $280. Go around $300. So you're not paying that much to secure this sneaker. Will it go up? It will go up. Trust me. I know it's a Jordan 7, but I remember looking at the Jordan 5 trophy rooms and wanting to pull a trigger third party at $350. You go look now, you'll see what I mean. So in a couple of months, it will go up. It's a trophy room sneaker. Marcus Jordan, he's killing. He's dating Scottie Pippen's wife. That's another channel, another topic. But yeah, man, I'm digging these, man, as far as the design. But the flakiness, I really don't like. Let me know in the comment section below, did you cop? I should have a hotter style coming to these. I love red, white, and blue. I'm your boy Sneaker Nose. Thanks for watching. I really appreciate it, guys. Everybody, get rich.